Hey there, welcome to our channel App Only. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can sign in on your Crunchyroll account. For that, you need to head into your Crunchyroll application. Once you are on this welcome screen of Crunchyroll application, beneath the Explore free trial, you'll be able to find out the login button. Tap on login. This will let you access to the login page of Crunchyroll where you need to enter your email followed by the password. Once you have entered the email, now enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, then you can simply tap on the forget password link and reset your password of Crunchyroll account. Now, after finishing up, you need to tap on login button. So now your email address is unverified, so you can tap on set verification link and easily verify your email address. So in this way you can easily sign in on your Crunchyroll applications account. So I hope this video was useful. If this video was useful, hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the notification bell to never miss an upcoming uploads from our channel. Thank you.